Okay, let's now talk about description templates and upload defaults. They are practically the same thing, and they are very useful thing that will help you in the long run to, let's say, avoid the tedious metadata input every single time you upload the video. So that means that every time you will upload the video, if you have an upload defaults, your description will be filled with the things that is same for the majority of the videos. Then you can fix after that. For example, if you go to the settings right here and go to the upload default, it's the new studio, of course, because your old studio, for me at least, it is no longer available. You will see that you have a title, you have a description, you have visibility, you have tags and advanced settings that you can fill out. Whatever you will fill out right here will be available on every single upload you upload on your videos. Well, every single upload you'll make, basically. I just talked a bunch of nonsense, but for every single upload you will do, it will fill out your description, it will fill out your title if you have like some certain title, visibility, and tags. Why is it that important? As you can see in my links in my description, I have like, hello fellas, in this video I will be, and then talking about some stuff, because this will be the same in every single video I upload. Join me and don't forget to subscribe every single video. I have my Twitch channel in every single video, my Discord server every single video, some of my links in every single video, some of my affiliate links, some of my other channels, hashtags. That means that I need to put hashtags right here. It will be the same in every single video. Imagine filling this up by hand every single time when you upload your new video. You'll go insane, right? And in addition, this video is I'm doing videos daily here. Imagine filling this out every single day, every single time. You will go insane. And with an upload defaults, you can fill it out, fill the essential stuff in advance, and then when you upload the video, I will just add some text right here. If I want to add anything, I will add after this. If I want to do some additional links or whatever with a specific to this video, I will do it right there. I will change the hashtags of the video, and that's it. Because in my case, because I don't have, my titles are different for every single one. I don't have a default title, but I could do this one as well. And because I want the visibility to be private all the time, I suggest you to go with a private. I have visibility in the private, and if you want a certain tags to be used, you can go and use the certain tags that will be available in every single video. I don't use this because I don't want to fill out the tags like my YouTube channel to name tags, because they are useless, because people are using their names in their tags, which is useless. Your channel name is your biggest part of your metadata. Why would you want to use up the tag space for this? So that's why I'm not doing it. And what you can do as well is go to the advanced settings, choose the licenses, which is like usually this one, choose your category, which usually for my case is gaming. Always choose the video language 100%. I talked about this in the uploading workflow, but always choose this one because this will generate you closed captions, which is very good. Community contributions, yeah, you can go on and off if you want, and allow comments, whether you want to allow or not allow the comments, or if you want just to disable the comments. All users can view the ratings of your video, meaning that like, dislike, they can view this one. If you want, you can do this. If you don't want, you will delete this. Very useful thing that I highly, not just suggest, you must do it. You must do it because you will go insane. Just craft in it, not as soon as you start creating videos. Craft your descriptions as the time goes, as the time flows. Maybe you remember, okay, I want to include my Instagram in my description. Add it in your upload default so the next time it will always be there. Okay, I want to include my Discord server. Add it there. Okay, I want to include affiliate link to the certain service that might generate me some income. You can write it there. Always fill it out. With the TubeBuddy right here, you can actually have multiple upload defaults. Like as you can see, I have like some different games. I have some different upload defaults. I could use it for myself if you have a TubeBuddy, but you need a paid license to have the multiple upload defaults, at least the pro license. Just know that. You can do it 100%. Again, highly suggest you to use upload defaults. Now again, not suggest you. Use upload defaults 100%. So this will be it for this one. Let's go to the next one.